Good morning, this is Samundeshwari from the Department of English. In this lecture video, we are going to see the topic discourse markers or connectives. So this topic is help us to improve our speaking and writing ability with the help of how to use the connective words in a sentence to organize and manage our ideas and expressions. So types of discourse markers. So the discourse markers can be splitted into 5 to 6 parts, such as addition markers, contrast, cause and effect markers, exemplifying and generalizing, and concluding markers, depending upon the purpose which serves in a sentence. Addition markers in the sense to indicate that we are adding more information when we are speaking about something. So a person says, hey, I like watching movie, and he enjoys listening music. So the role of connectives or discourse marker is to connect these two sentences in a thought together. So he likes watching movies and listening to music. Contrast marker in the sense to draw attention to apparent inconsistency. So it looks like rain is expected today, though tomorrow the sun will shine in the sky. So however, here the word however function as a connective to connect the two individual sentence. And next thing is that cause and effect, to show that something is caused by or results from the cause happened. I was late to the office. There was a traffic jam. So you can connect the sentence with the help of the connective words such as so, therefore, and all. There was a traffic jam, so I was late to the office. And concluding markers, to focus on the results of something we have said or written. Finally, just remember to be nice to our visitors. So this discourse markers will be very much helpful when people used to write the research articles and the process of making something and the process and step by instruction part and all. And next thing is we have generalizing markers to make it clear that something is generally true and to point out that we are not being specific. In general, I like most types of music. Here I don't want to particularly talking about any one thing. And exemplifying markers, to introduce examples. He is really a kind boy. For instance, he lent me money when I needed it. So you can use words such as for example, for instance. These are all the words can be used in a part of exemplifying markers. So here we have the assessment 2, and after completing this assessment we'll go to the assessment 1. Isabel apologized several times. Paul would not speak to her. So you are going to connect this sentence with the help of the connective. But Isabel apologized several times, but Paul would not speak to her. Brinda does a lot of exercise, therefore she is fit. When you're writing answer for the cause and effect sentence, if you're not arranging the cause and effect properly in a sentence, it doesn't give a meaning at all. For instance, just to take an example of this one, she is fit, therefore Brinda does a lot of exercise. In the sense, it's bit difficult to get the meaning of it. And Roger works very hard to help his parents. He is also a good student. So here we are talking about the related to in addition. So in addition to a hardworking person, he is a good student also. I love ice cream as well as chocolates. I would love to come. However, I really haven't got the time. So I'm much interested to attend the party, whereas I don't have the however. So these are all the words. Your focus must be here with the connective phrases. So now we can look at the assessment 1. So now you got an idea about how to connect the sentence with the help of the connective phrases and all. I had a terrible day at work and lost my umbrella too. I spoke that nice guy who works in the coffee shop at last. So here you are talking about the how the day is too hectic. So here you can go with the word at least I spoke that nice guy. And television turns people into lazy couch potatoes. There are some educational programs on, though the actual word is though. And I would like to welcome you all to the conference today. Here you can use the word firstly I would like to welcome. Dash the film was a little boring. We still had a nice evening out though. So, though the movie is boring, we still had a nice evening out. I got up at 9 o'clock yesterday and had a cold shower. Then I had breakfast and left for work. So, this topic is very easy to mark or connect your answer if you understand the meaning of the sentence as it is given by the writer. So do more practice of reading, then your all your writing will be very easy. Thank you.